golden soup. Masarap ito. Ito yung beef. Beef to ito yung kabila. Beef. Tapos ito yung chicken. Then meron silang another side combo which is the grill. Kundi meron din vegetable. At meron din hot pot. Dapat kakataon ng oras, hindi. Nakarap dito.
Kasi tumanda na nga sila. Sa trail kasi yan. Ba't mas malakas pa yung baby, this time I'll be loving maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time body roll. Bowling yun eh. Yeah.